You're gonna rip my jugular out.
Is it recording?
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it really? Nothing dangerous.
Jay, just let it go. Just let it go.
Why is he so dramatic?
Oh my God, it's a nut.
Gonna fuck you like a bitch. Yeah. Eddie, you're not going
He
nowhere.
wrestled Look Eddie down.
Yo, the dog pulled the singer out.
Dude, the scariest thing is when you're looking right at him and he comes here like this.
Fat boy, come here. Leave him alone. Fat boy, come here. Oh my God.
Come on, are you tired?
You tired yet?
Please calm away now. This is too much.
Fat boy,
This is
come
too
here.
much. Al, he's pinching now.
Come here, fat boy.
He's getting his skin.
Fat boy, come here. Come here, come here. Hey, what I just said. Come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Leave him alone. Come here. He looked back. He like, hold up. Please come here. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. Go.
Yo, can you slow it down and put dubstep behind this?